Hello there, it's Spencer, back again to teach you a brand new solo. Today we're gonna be looking at Enter Sandman. That is totally not the song we're fucking doing. Let me do that again. The patch on here is called Sandman. Alrighty. What's up everybody? It's Spencer here, back with another solo breakdown video. Today we're gonna learn Nothing Else Matters by Metallica off the Black album. This video is part of a series where we learn new, easy, reasonable, not too tough to manage solos. You do not need to be a shredder to play the lead guitar. This solo is a little bit of a harder one in this series, but still totally manageable, very melodic. This is a solo by James Hetfield, who sings and typically plays rhythm guitar in Metallica, but this is my very favorite Metallica solo, so let me know in the comments if you also like it, or if I am a total idiot who doesn't know anything. We're gonna break this down into 4 easy phrases plus a little outro at the end. Song is in E minor. We'll start in 12th position. Ring finger goes on the 14th fret of G. Your pinky is gonna go on the 15th fret of B. First phrase sounds like this. So, we're gonna keep our pinky on 15 on B, bend the 14th fret on G with our ring finger, as always observing good bending technique. Ring finger on 14, middle finger in the fret behind it on 13, first finger on 12 on the G string. And you can see my first finger is a little bit flatter because I'm gonna mute the D string on my way up and back down using the end of my first finger. So we bend up, pick it again, bring it back down, and then hit 12 on G. Then 14, 12. Then shift positions to 11, 11, 12, 11 with your first finger, and then pinky on 14, 11 on G with your first finger, and then 12, 14 on D. So next phrase. So we're gonna go 12, 14, 12 on G. Bend 14 on G, and then you're gonna bar your first finger to hit the 12th fret on B and on E. Do that twice, and then 15 to 12 on B with your pinky to your first finger. And then 15 on G, back to 12 on B. So we've got, that's 15, 14, do a quick bend release on 12, and then 14 on D, and then we've got this staccato hit on 14 on G and B together. We're just gonna be barring these fingers. So ring finger for 14, hit it again, 13, and then 12 on G. So the whole second phrase is cool. Third phrase sounds like this. So we're gonna use our pinky on the 15th fret of our high E string. You can kind of slide into that. Ring finger on 14 on high E, and then first finger on 12 on B. So we got, then we'll slide to 17 on the high E. And then here's a little bit of a faster lick. It's a really good thing to practice if you're new to soloing. So we're gonna keep our first finger planted on the 12th fret, and we're gonna go, so pinky on 15, and your ring finger is gonna be planted on the 14th fret as well throughout this. So we're gonna go 15, and then a hammer on pull off from your ring finger on 14 to your pinky on 15. And then pull off from 14 to 12. So we pick once, and then again on 14. Cool. Then we roll our first finger forward. Don't lift it off the strings, just roll straight forward to hit 12 on B. And then 15, 14 on E. So that whole lick again is cool. And then we're on to the fourth phrase, which is so we got 12, 14, 12, and then the same bend as the very beginning of the solo. So 14 on G, 15 on B with our pinky. Bend up, back down, pull off to 12. 14 on D. Same kind of country lick, bend 14, hit 12 on B, 12 on E. So I'm bending 15, bring it back down, pull off, and then bend 15 again. Fourth phrase again in total is. Then the outro is 12, 15, 12, 7, and then 5, 7, 5. Those are all slides. And you can do some vibrato if your guitar maybe doesn't have that much sustain, or if you feel like the notes are dying out quickly. Make sure you're pushed in really hard and you can kind of shake the string. Or if you're having trouble sliding, you can always hammer and pull off too. No one will sue you for doing that. Cool, I'll play the whole solo for you one more time, a little slower. Try and follow along if you have music. And something that I probably don't say as often as I should, it is great to learn solos by ear and all that sort of stuff and learn by watching people play, but look at the music. It will really help you learn songs and solos faster if you get used to looking at tablature or standard notation, if you're into that sort of thing, establishing the connection between seeing that on the page and what your fingers should be doing. Not only the frets, but also the time. A lot of guitar players ignore timing notation, and that's bad, so don't do it. Here's the solo one more time. Cool, and if you've been paying attention to my right hand, I keep it moving like this. The song is in 6/8, I probably should have mentioned that earlier, but keep my hand moving, downstrokes on the beats, upstrokes off the beats, and everything that you're playing that you need to pick will fall within that grid. So really try to keep your hand moving, it'll keep you locked into time and make sure your picking strokes are the correct directions. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this is the song that you think Metallica sold out on or not. And make sure to subscribe. We got a bunch more songs, solos. We'll see you guys soon.